Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Child's Classroom, where today we're doing Chapter 9, Lesson 2 of my math. And this is for kindergarten, okay? Remember that. Anyway, so this is the problem solving lesson where we're using logical reasoning to find out what we need to know. We're talking about classifying objects. In the last lesson, we were talking about classifying things by if they are alike and if they are different. So we're going to do a little bit of that now, okay? So you're going to start on page 545 right here with all these animals, and that's what we're going to get into. But first, we have to ask a question. How do I classify objects? Let's find out. Okay, so you can find two objects, compare them. Which one do you think is longer? Check the measurements, all that kind of stuff, blah, blah, blah. Look at, I have two pens. But when I put them right next to each other, it looks like my purple one is taller and my black one is shorter. Look at that. Interesting. And it says you can measure them by cubes. Now, obviously, you might not have cubes lying around, but maybe you have like coins lying around so you can like put down pennies and say, oh, this one's this many pennies and this one is this many pennies. So take that into consideration. All right, so this is the first problem. So it says, what does not belong? I think that's simple enough. All right, so get out your pencils, whatever you're using, crayons. And so, like we did in the last lesson, we're going to cross off those things that are different. So, what doesn't belong? Do sandals belong in the Arctic? Nope. How about a winter hat? Yes, we need that. So, I would color that in. This swimsuit, though, no swimming in the Arctic. You will freeze like an ice cube. Okay, and what? Is that an elephant there? You're in the wrong place, buddy. Eh. This penguin? Oh, he looks legit. He's supposed to be there for sure. So color the. Well, I guess you don't really need to color in the penguin because he's already black and white. Look at that. All right, these ice skates probably useful there in the Arctic, so we'll keep that there. But a bed, I'm not sleeping out there. No way, Jose. Unless there's like a cabin with a little wood stove in there. Nope, not doing it. All right, let's go on to the next page. What does not belong? Well, first of all, none of this stuff should go in the. Actually, some of that stuff does go in the yard. I shouldn't say they need to tidy up their yard. I will say that. But let's take a look. Let's see. Hose. Yeah, we gotta water the plants, so that goes there. But the TV, and that goes inside. Sorry, if it rains, it's gonna ruin your TV. And what is the bed doing out? So why is there? Why are these beds all over the place? Get back in the house, crazy. In the sink. What do you need a sink out there for? You already have a hose. And lawnmower. Yeah, you need that outside. Although someone should be pushing it to cut the grass because it's getting a little tall. But this refrigerator, hey, I'm hungry. You're supposed to be in the kitchen so I can get my lunch. There we go. Figure that out. Good. Okay. Let's try another one. Ooh. What does not belong at the beach? Oh, thank goodness my bed's not there. So that's a good thing. This is like opposite of the Arctic one. Cause this winter coat, no, I'd be sweating so much, and no one needs that when we're gonna go swimming in the ocean. So let's cross that one off. And what about this towel? I think we need a towel. I usually use a towel when I get out of the shower, but this is a beach towel, so we'll need that. And the bucket and the shovel. Yeah, we're gonna need that too for building the sandcastle. But Olaf here is gonna melt in the summer. You don't know that song? Bees a buzz, kissable dandelion buzz. Yeah, okay, I'll stop. You gotta watch Frozen though. Okay, and then the couch. It'd be kind of relaxing to be on a couch, but it's also like it'd be like really hot. So no, let's not do that. And then the stove. As much as I would like to eat hot dogs or whatever, you don't need a oven on the beach to do that. Ugh. Man, this is too easy. Okay, now hold up. I'm not going to do this one because I trust that you guys know that when you come to school, there's certain things you have and there's certain things you don't have. I will give you this hint. Yeah, there are 3 things in this picture that belong in the classroom. If you're in my classroom, there's a bonus thing because I will give you a hint. I like to dance. So there's one object that I would probably keep in my room because I'm a dancer, but there's really 3 things that you need when you're in school. So find those 3 things, and if you know what the bonus thing is, circle it. But I'm gonna let you do this one because you guys are just as smart. You guys know exactly what to do. You're circling the things that you actually I wouldn't even circle them, just color them. Color the things that you would have in school and then cross off the things that don't belong. Capiche? Capiche? Let's do this thing. I'm gonna check you out in the next lesson, but until then, I will see you all later. Bye everyone.